Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video for fixing your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add payment method on your Coinbase. And I'm gonna be showing you guys it in an easy way so you guys can do it in your first try, alright? So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. Now let's get on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to go to coinbase.com, log in into your account. Then click on the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and go on versus setting. Once you go under setting, you want to go on versus payment methods. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can click on add a payment method and it's going to show you a little screen over here. And over here you can click on credit/debit card, click on it and enter your card number, whether it's credit card or debit card, and then enter your card's expiration date and your card CVC number and the postal code of the place you're living, and then click on add card. And if all the information is correct, your card will be added over here on Coinbase. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how simple it is to add card on your Coinbase account. So it's pretty simple, not just card, any payment method. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.